Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn how to integrate Linux server for Grafana Cloud. We will visualize and monitor the Linux server on Grafana Cloud. Integrating the Linux servers with Grafana Cloud allows you to collect metrics, logs and traces from your servers and visualize them in customizable dashboard. So first, let's see the prerequisites. First, you should have an AWS account with Ubuntu instance up and running. Then you should have basic knowledge of AWS services and Grafana, and you should have a Grafana Cloud account. So let's move with the practical. Our first step is installing the Grafana agent on Ubuntu. The Grafana agent is a lightweight and open source agent. It collects metrics, logs, and traces from Linux server and sends them to Grafana Cloud. So first, let's create a directory for the apt keys. So let's copy the command and paste it. Now the directory is created. Next, the download and import the Grafana GPG key. So let's copy this command and paste it. Now, after download is complete, add the Grafana package repository. Now, after adding it, update the repositories. For that, we're using the sudo apt-get update command. This will update our repositories. Now, after updating the repository, install the Grafana agent. So let's copy this command. This will install the Grafana agent. Installation is complete. So let's start our Grafana agent. For the command is sudo systemctl start Grafana agent. After starting it, enable the Grafana agent. Now to check its status to see if it's running properly or not, we will check its status. As you can see, our Grafana agent is active and running. So now the, the next step is install the Linux server integration for Grafana Cloud. For that, first log in into your Grafana Cloud account. Search for the Grafana Cloud. Go to sign in. Enter your email ID. The password. Now once you are inside your Grafana Cloud account, you can see this homepage of your Grafana Cloud. Here, go to the home bar. Here in the connections, click on add new connections. Select the Linux server. Here, we will proceed with installing the Grafana agent in static mode. Click on Run the Grafana agent and choose your operating system. Since we are using Ubuntu here, so we are choosing the Debian bus. With that architecture as it is, you can even choose the different one as per your requirement. Then create a new API token. Give the access policy token name. This name will help you to view and remove this token in Grafana.com later. Then click on the create token. You can even use the existing API token if you have one. Now, after generating the token, run this command to install and run the Grafana agent. So let's copy it and paste it. Now our Grafana event is running. So now the next step is modifying the Grafana event.yaml file. First, let's see the Grafana Cloud. This is Grafana Cloud page. Here, make configuration selection. We have selected the backend base. Then, let's prepare your configuration file. Give the value for hostname. Here, I have selected the monitoring node. Now below, this is the integration and the logs file. So first, let's edit the Grafana agent.yaml file. So copy this command and paste it. Now here in the integration section, we will add the integration code of our Grafana Cloud. You can see this completed outline, like add here any snippet that belongs to integration section. So go back to the Grafana Cloud and copy this integration code. You can change the URLs according to your environment. Paste it. Now same we are going to do with the logs file. Scroll down. Here you can see the logs. Copy them and paste right under the box section. Here also you can see the committed outline. We say that here any snippet that belongs to the logs.config section. So save this file. Now after this, restart the Grafana agent service. Copy the command. Command is in serial restart Grafana agent.service. I will ask for your password. Now, suppose we don't know your password, we can use sudo pass wd ubuntu command. With this, we can change the password. So we can run this command and set the new password. Retype the password. Now, password is updated successfully. Now, let's again run the restart command. Give the password you have set within that. As you can see, the authentication is complete. which is required to start the Grafana engine.service. Then our next step is installing the dashboard and alerts on Grafana Cloud. So now here you can see the test connections option. This will test the agent. It's collecting the data and sending it to the Grafana Cloud. Click on it. As you can see, the agent is now collecting data from your machine. Now click on the install the dashboard and alerts. This will install the pre-configured dashboards and alerts. You can see the dashboards and alerts have been installed. Now click on the view dashboards. As you can see, there are many dashboards available. There is event system, then there is file system and this, and many more like logs, memory, network. For this, we will select the Linux node overview dashboard. And change the time. You can see the CPU users, also memory users, how much memory they are used, then this process used in the network traffic. It scraps the matrix after 30 seconds, each 30 seconds. So now you can see the CPU users, which is 1.1%, which is not that much low on our CPU. Then also memory users, how much memory are used, and also network. So today we have learned how to integrate the Linux server on the Grafana Cloud, then how to install and configure the Grafana agent and visualizing the Linux server in Grafana Cloud. Integrating the Linux server with the Grafana Cloud provides valuable insights into performance and health of your infrastructure, which we have seen already. And with this, you can easily set up monitoring and visualization for your Linux servers. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.